Wow, you got me flowers?
I came to see the flowers that my son Ademola said he got for you. What did he do? We have selected the best husband material for you, even in this time of husband scarcity.
Lancelot Oduwa Imasuen is out with another blockbuster movie titled Lovebirds. The movie was shot in the United States of America with Nollywood celebrities such as Stella Damasus, Iyke, and Joseph Benjamin as cast. The movie tells the story of two lovebirds whose parents disapprove of their union.
Well, I'm out of here.
Okay.
I'm about to go right now. Like, step out of the door.
Leave!
America!
Wish ain't got no visa.
But for now, you just gotta chill.
I have to chill in your family freezer after being hit up in your car. Oh, God knows where next I'm gonna be.
Lancelot speaks about the project, which is expected to hit the cinemas in April at a private media screening in Lagos.
I want to tell the story of love and the extent people can go to protect what they believe in, what they love, genuinely. You know, this is what we call love today. It has a lot of meanings. So we say love bears two hearts that beats as one. They think alike, they do things alike, and they can go to any extent to keep their hearts together.
Baby, I think I found a way out.
The only way out is the window, and we're on the 3rd floor. You'll break your neck.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Look at my face now.